So this furnace has a limit switch. This one right here, it's open. I reconnect it. I just want to see what's happening with the furnace. So it's on the blower on delay right now. I checked the pressure, everything is fine. 1.6 inches water column. I see this igniter. This igniter wire is all melted here. It's a very dangerous situation, and I just want to see what's happening with that. It's our randomly starts. There's ignition. So now the blower came on. See, this furnace has a cracked heat exchanger. It has a crack on it. I just want to do a little bit recap on this this service call. When I came here, this furnace is shutting down on the flame rollout switch. I want to see what's happening. I see all the wires are burned on the igniter side. I turn on the furnace. Everything is okay until the blower is come on. As soon as the blower came on, you see in the video the flame is all rolling back. That is a crack on the heat exchanger. Something broken there, which is the air get involved in the fire tubes on the heat exchanger, so it's rollbacks. So this is a very dangerous situation. So I shut down the gas, and they have a little baby there. It's unsafe, and I'm gonna quote this repair to the customer and give him a few options if he wants to repair or replace the furnace. Thank you. Thanks very much. Keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. It's under Access Air Heating and Air Services. Have a good night, guys. Bye.